up, peeps? And today we are doing a car race, episode 2 of Car Races. Actually, no, it's season 2. Yeah.
One eternity later.
Alright, peeps. So we finished track 1, and now for track 2, will be round 2, and cars were eliminated if they didn't make it all the way around. We put it in time lapse so that it wouldn't be really long time. Now we're gonna start the slow-mo version. Go. Dad. We are now in the finale. One car will make it every round for the first place winner, and then there will be the finale. The 7 finale cars.
Hi, this is the final round. There'll only be one winner.
This is the winner. This guy won, as you saw on the slow motion replay. And this guy won last time, but as you see on this one, he like bumped out and fell down. But he's not the winner this time. These are all the cars that have lost, like all the way around, of like insaneness. Yeah.
Bye. Make sure to subscribe and like and subscribe. See ya, peeps.
Disorder, women, boys, and